Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4a, chapter number 4, book 2. In the previous videos, we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now it's time for question number 7. It says expand and simplify each of the following expressions. So this question contains 4 parts and now we are going to simply find the product and then expand the expressions, the brackets which are given to us. So let's solve question number 7 without wasting any time. So over here I have written part A and part B of question number 7. So I have written part A and part B of question number 7 over here. It's very simple to solve. First of all, we are going to multiply this A with this bracket and minus 2A with this bracket. Simple. So A multiplied by 5B would be 5AB. Then A multiplied by C would be plus AC. Then minus. Then 2A multiplied by 3C would be 6AC. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. A multiplied by C, AC. Minus minus is plus. 2A multiplied by B would be 2AB. Now 5. Now we are going to we have opened the brackets. Now we are going to gather the like terms. So the first like term is 5AB and 2AB plus 2AB. Then minus 6. Then we can also write plus AC, which could be considered as 1AC also, and minus 6AC. Now finally we are going to plus minus the numbers. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and AB. Then this plus minus is minus. So AC minus 6 AC. So means AC over here means 1 also. So 1 minus 6, it would be 5. As now, so we are subtracting a smaller number with a bigger number, so that means the answer would be negative also. So it would be negative 5 AC. Now we are having part B also over here. So in part B we are going to do the same thing as we have done in the previous part. So minus 2D would be multiplied with this bracket and then minus F with this bracket. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and minus, so minus 8. D multiplied by F would be DF. Then minus minus is plus. Now 2 multiplied by 5 would be 10. D multiplied by H would be 10DH. Minus, this is minus, and F multiplied by 3D would be 3DF. Now minus plus is minus. Now F multiplied by 7H would be 7FH. Now we are having minus in now we are going to see the like terms. So minus DF plus 10DH and minus 3DF. So only we are having one like term, means minus 8DF minus 3DF, and we don't have a like term for 10DH and minus 7FH. So we are going to first write minus 8DF. I'm going to shift minus 3DH over here, DF over here. So minus 3DF. Then rest of the numbers would be written as it is. 10DH and minus 7fh. Now, so this is the like term, minus minus is plus, so 8 plus 3 would be 11. Now 11d f plus 10dh would be as it is, and 7fh would be also as it is. Also we are having this, we are having minus 8, so if we add a positive, as a negative number with a positive, so it would be minus also, because we did minus minus is plus, and 8 plus 3 11, and 8 was already negative, so negative 11. So this was part B and part A of question number 4. Now let's move towards the last part. So now I have written part C and part D, which are the last two parts. So part C says 4k would be multiplied with this bracket, and 3k would be multiplied by this bracket. Now 4k multiplied by 3k, 3 multiplied by 4 would be 4 multiplied by 3 would be 12, and k multiplied by k would be k squared. Now 4 multiplied by m would be 4, as it could be considered as 1 also, and k multiplied by m would be 4km plus 4km minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and k multiplied by k is k square, minus minus is plus, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, 3 multiplied by k is km. So now we have opened the brackets also, which is 12k square plus 4km minus 6k square plus 5km. Now we are going to gather the like terms. So 12k square and 6k square are the like terms. First, square plus minus 6k square, 6k square minus 6k square plus 4km and at last plus 15km. Now finally this we are going to subtract and add. 12 minus 6 is 6 and k square as it is, then plus 4 plus 15 is 19 km. So 6 square plus 19 km is the final answer for part C. So now let's solve the last part of the question. So 2n would be multiplied with this bracket. So 2 multiplied by p means 1 also. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and n multiplied by p is np. Then minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, n multiplied by n is n square. Now again minus 4 multiplied by n, so it is 1 also, so 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and n multiplied by n is n square. Now 4 minus minus is plus, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and n multiplied by p is np. Now first we are going to bring the square over here. Minus 4 means we are going to gather the like terms. So minus 4n square and minus 4n square would be shifted over here. Then I am going to write plus 8np, plus 8np, and 2 is also in positive, so plus 2np. Now minus minus is plus, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and this 4 is in negative, so negative 8 n square. Let me write it a bit down so it couldn't be mixed. So negative 8 n square, so negative 8 because this 4 is in negative. Now we have solved this. Now a plus 8np plus 2np, so 8 plus 2, simply it is 10 and plus 10 np. So it was very simple to solve, and there are very simple questions in exercise 4a also, and chapter number 4 and 3. They are very simple questions. Just the thing that we need to care about is about the sign, and we need to be careful with the sign also when we are using the sign plus minus, because they make us confused. So I hope you like today's video. In this video we have solved question number 7 of chapter number 4 exercise 4a book 2. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.